Hello and welcome to our new lesson. Today I'll speak about surface wave and group velocity because it was a big interest to this in surface seismic. So I decided to add this functional to software, and let me demonstrate how to handle group velocity of the seismic interpretation. Here is one of my oldest projects loaded, and you can see it on the screen. It's very nice waves data, and we can invert it in regular way for the fuzzy velocity. But this time we will try to do it for both joint inversion for phase velocity and group velocity. What we need to do, we need to use new options which allow to calculate group velocity spectra and pick it. And also we need to have standard phase velocity data together with it. Okay, I will pick my data. This will be phase velocity. Let's move it a little. And now I can go back to velocity mode from K mode, and to keep this curve, I'll just copy it to another station. So it will be kept there. Now I can calculate my group velocity spectra. You can do this GR option here. As you can see, this is some image. Yes, we need to make it nicer with options. And how we can compare this calculation of group velocity spectra, we can calculate group velocity curve directly from phase velocity because it's derivative of it. For this, we have option convert to group. Now you can see it's pretty good, but of course, because it's much better to smooth it again, and you can see it's completely fit in our red zone. But of course, it's much better to pick group velocity data by this spectra. Now we have it. It gives us much better accuracy. And now we can go to inversion mode. Here you can see just as group velocity curve. We can invert it, of course, but it's always better to make joint inversion together, because if we do it separately, for example, I'll do it now, we will have some strange results sometimes. So, but I'll leave joint inversion mode. Joint inversion, I should choose this station data. We copied it from previous station, and it has its phase velocity. So it will be first station, second station, because first This is, and now we can do joint inversion. Group velocity, because its derivative give a much better resolution in comparison with phase velocity. So now we have this interpretation and can check for, phase velocity. Well, it's not bad, but we can do it better. So we can go back and try to smooth this data. Okay, and now try to do inversion again. Okay, now we have a much better for both part of velocity. We have a very good misfit, and it's okay. Of course, we can set some constraints, but this is the way how to work with such data. Thank you for your attention.